Okay mate, the end of this, square left into square right, opens into long right. Not square, okay. Might be very, very slippy and dusty here, mate. Okay. Okay, this time we're going left, left at the split, and then it's a long open left. Long open left, and then you're going to come up to a square right. Here we are, square right, square left. Well done.
Where are we?
Hey, oh, someone's had the cones.
Where are we?
No, straight on, mate. Go on, straight on, that's it. And then we've got the right, left, and then we're going left into the right. This is not as mapped, Kev. 45 right, square left, into square left, into 45 right, into open left, and we're back onto here again. And then we're going to do that same loop again. It's not as mapped. Left, left, left again, left, left, left again. Okay, fairly tight entry, long open left. And we've got a car behind us, not sure if it's catching us or not. Square right, square left, short straight, go to the left, and then we've got this fast right, fast left, 90 left, immediately into a 90 right, 45 right, square left, actually it's not, it's just one on here, square left, 45 right, opens, next time round, on the merge we're going right. We're going right this time, mate. And then we've got a right entry chicane. Right entry chicane. No idea where the cone's here, mate. Ah, that's fair enough. Right, okay. And then we've got this 90 left opens. Left opens, there we go. We've got the same again, 90 left open. Now this might be not as mapped, just follow the circuit, Kev. Follow the circuit. And it's fast, we've got this 45 right, 45 left, it's open, looks fit. Right entry chicane. Not much of a chicane. And then we're going to come up to a 90 left, 90 right, over the finish. I think we're all done. This is stop. That's it. We are all done, mate. Well done.
What the fuck is that?
Someone binding on the brake. Just tap the brake pedal, mate. Right, it's just a pad rubbing. Right, where's my time card? Hold on, 25, 9:26:49. Hold on, 9:26:49. Okay. Hold on, mate. Hold on. Oh, what are you doing then? Let me know then. Well, there's no need, it's up there. Right, okay. Well, what have we got that then? What the fuck is that all about? Okay, mate, just stop. Alright, 9:57. Lovely. Okay. I have no idea what that was fucking about. We pulled away from that Evo. Yeah, pulled away from that Evo, mate. Well done.
All good? Any issues?
Not really. I think there's a pad binding.
It's going the wrong way. We can't hear anything. It's like silent valley. It is, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
It seems to go well. Is it okay?
Yeah, ish.